Okay, so the Power Hypervisor. In previous videos, I introduced the Power Hypervisor, or P-Hype as it's called, as the key component of Power VM. So let's take a closer look. Now, as you see in the graphic, the Power Hypervisor sits between the hardware and the LPARs to manage access and provide isolation, which is key. More specifically, the Power Hypervisor is firmware that provides the following functions. Virtual memory management. Now, this entails the assignment of memory, the handling of memory access requests from the LPARs. The hypervisor controls page tables that are used by partitions to ensure that a partition has access to only its physical memory segments. And it clears memory before it's reused by other partitions. Now, virtual processor management is where the hypervisor is responsible for managing the shared processor pool and in general with dispatching partition workloads across processors, whether they're dedicated or shared. And note that the software exceptions and crashes are contained within a partition by the hypervisor. Okay? The hypervisor also reinitializes processors and resets processor registers when the processor is being reassigned. Security and isolation between partitions, the next responsibility for the hypervisor, ensures that a partition accesses only devices that are allocated to it and resets I/O devices when devices are allocated to a partition, whether that's statically or dynamically. And then finally, the last role I'm going to mention here for the hypervisor is virtual console support. This entails the presentation of I/O to and from a virtual console device for each logical partition. This replaces the need for a physically attached console device.